again from Las Terrenas Life and Go Dominican Life. We're here this week looking at a bunch of things that you need in your life when you're here living here. So first thing is Price Smart. Very similar to Costco, actually exactly the same. Some of the exact products that you would have in North America. So there's many locations in the country. Currently we're in Santiago, which is about 45 minutes from Puerto Plata, Sosua, about an hour from Cabarete. And there are several locations in Santo Domingo, which are about 2 hours from Las Terrenas. So here you can get all your fresh foods, all your packaged goods, computers, TVs, you name it. So let's go in and take a look, see what we can get today. Come on. All right, wasn't that cool? We got a lot, you can get almost anything here, anything at all. If you look in my cart right now, I literally didn't have to worry about too much today. Got a couple things of paper and some power bars for the office, but that's what I needed today. So do what you do. I suggest you come here once a month if you're here for the winter or you're living here. That's all I do is I come once a month, grab what I need, the major things, and then I buy all the rest of the stuff in my hometown where I'm living for me in Las Terrenas. So until the next video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to us, and we'll see you again soon. Adios.